All right, students, it's time for our next activity. Using the skills we practiced, translating the prologue, and the information we gained from the videos, it's time to analyze quotes from the tragedy of Romeo and Juliet in order to find evidence of the power of fate and evidence of the power of free will. What I mean is we're going to look at William Shakespeare's actual words and see if we can't find evidence of free will or evidence of fate being the most powerful force in someone's life. What we're going to do here is go ahead and access this document, the Free Will versus Fate text examples from the tragedy of Romeo and Juliet. On this document, you're going to have a series of quotes from the text. Now, for each one of these quotes, you'll see who said it, you'll see when it happened in the play, but then you'll also see a place for you to translate that quote into your own words. So the chorus says in the beginning prologue, "From forth the fatal loins of these two foes, a pair of star-crossed lovers take their life." Now, what we're really looking for is not just a literal line-by-line translation, but a summary of what is being said and how it connects to our essential question. The essential question is fate or free will? Which one is more powerful? And as we know, after analyzing the prologue, the translation of this quote is saying, "From forth the fatal loins of these two foes," is that the children of the two warring families will fall in love, but they are doomed to suicide. Yes, what we learned from analyzing the prologue is that from forth the fatal loins of these two foes, a pair of star-crossed lovers take their life. So, not only do I have a translation now of Shakespeare's words, but I can say, does this support the power of fate or the power of free will? Well, star-crossed, as we know, means doomed or destined. So, the star-crossed lovers are destined to take their life. You would think this means Shakespeare says that the power of fate is more powerful at this time. So that's how you go ahead and deduce what the quote is trying to say and what side of the argument the quote would support. Go ahead and finish the rest of these here, and then I'll meet you back on the slideshow. Have fun.